This is before surgery, and this is 1 month after surgery. This one is a case of implant replacement. You can see that her tip does not look very good from the side, but after the revision, now it's looking much better. This one is a small nose with a small low tip. So this is after surgery, immediately after surgery. This one is again a replacement of silicone implant. It looks better. Here you can see that the tip does not look good, and the previous scarring also does not look good, and it's improved now. Here again you can see that the implant is visible under the skin and it's looking like a normal nose now. This one is a small nose, so implant has been done much better. Again, a very small low nose, and this is 4 months after surgery, and this is another picture of the same person. This one is a too high implant, and this is after removal. This one is again a low bridge and small tip, and this is after surgery, only 1 week after surgery. So her improvement, her recovery has been amazing after the procedure.